Hi, my name is Candace Newson, and I welcome you to Monday Mornings. And what Monday mornings will entail is just a prayer with you. A prayer for you, a prayer for your week. Sometimes we go to church on Sunday, then all of a sudden we get to Monday, and we lose what we're supposed to be doing for the rest of the week. So I just want to offer every Monday morning at 6 o'clock in the morning with you just to say a prayer for you. In regards to His Possible Ministries, as I'm trying to uncover multiple avenues of being able to inspire you, of being able to reach out to you, Monday mornings is it. So I look forward to seeing you next Monday, starting so that we can get on our way to our dreams. I call it the dream place because this is where it's beginning for me. It's the beginning for me because there was a point of where I felt like I didn't have any more dreams, and I realized that dreams are what continue to motivate me to want to do more for my family, for my children, and you have to have one. So welcome to the dream place, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.